emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ashland County, Lorain County, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. This storm was located 18 miles west of Wellington and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lorain, Elyria, Amherst, Wellington, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Grafton. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ashland, and Lorain.
The forecast for Cleveland and